Here are 5 tips for sustainable travel to help minimize your carbon footprint. Choose eco-friendly transportation. Opt for trains or buses over flights when possible, and consider direct flights to reduce emissions. Stay in green accommodations. Book eco-friendly hotels that prioritize sustainability practices like energy efficiency and waste reduction. Pack light. Lighter luggage reduces fuel consumption on flights. Bring reusable items like water bottles and bags to reduce waste. Support local. Eat at local restaurants, buy from local artisans, and choose tours run by local guides to support the community and reduce transportation emissions. Respect nature and wildlife. Follow guidelines for responsible wildlife viewing, stay on marked trails, and avoid single-use plastics to protect ecosystems.